Every day, we make countless decisions, from what to prioritize at work to how to solve complex challenges. But here's the thing, not all decisions are equal. The better your decision-making skills, the better your results, both personally and professionally. Today we'll explore why decision-making is a critical skill for employees and practical ways to improve it. Why decision-making matters. Why is decision-making so important in the workplace? Efficiency. Good decisions save time and resources, keeping projects on track. Problem solving. It's the foundation of resolving challenges effectively. Leadership. Even if you're not a manager, strong decision-making shows initiative and earns trust. Did you know? Research shows that companies with employees who make better decisions are 25% more productive. Types of decisions. Not all decisions are the same. Let's break them into two categories. Routine decisions. These are everyday choices, like how to respond to an email or organize your tasks. Strategic decisions. These involve bigger consequences, such as project planning or resolving team conflicts. Knowing the type of decision helps you determine how much time and effort to invest. The decision-making process. Here's a simple process to make better decisions. Define the problem. What are you deciding? Be clear about the objective. Gather information. Collect relevant facts, feedback, and data to inform your choice. Evaluate options. List your choices and weigh the pros and cons of each. Make the decision, trust your analysis, and take action. Review the outcome. After implementing, assess what worked and what didn't. This step is crucial for growth. Common decision-making pitfalls. Even the best decision-makers face challenges. Watch out for these pitfalls. Analysis paralysis. Overthinking can delay action. Solution: set a time limit for decisions. Emotional decisions. Acting on emotions rather than logic can backfire. Solution: take a moment to cool off before deciding. Not considering alternatives, limiting yourself to one option can blind you to better solutions. Practical tips for better decisions. Here are practical ways to sharpen your decision-making. Prioritize decisions. Focus your energy on decisions with the biggest impact. Use decision-making tools. Techniques like a pros and cons list or decision matrix can provide clarity. Involve others when needed. Collaboration brings new perspectives and reduces blind spots. Stay adaptable. Not every decision will be perfect. Be ready to pivot when needed. Decision-making in action. Let's consider a workplace example. A team is behind schedule on a project. They face a choice: cut features to meet the deadline or request an extension. After evaluating their priorities and consulting stakeholders, they decide to cut features strategically. The result? They meet the deadline while delivering core functionality. Closing challenge and call to action. Here's your challenge. Think about a recent decision you made. Could you have approached it differently? Use the process we discussed and apply it to your next decision. Remember, decision-making isn't just about making choices, it's about making better choices. When you master this skill, you unlock new levels of productivity, confidence, and success.